Okay, I'm doing the shortest path algorithm for us to get from A over to H. Okay, and so the method I'm going to use, I'm going to draw little boxes. So let me get my pen. I'm going to start here at A and I'm going to H. First of all, I draw a box at my start, and okay, from A I have gone a distance of 0 and I've come from nowhere because that's my starting point. From there, from A, I can either go down this path here or I can go up that path there to B. So I'll do one at a time. I'm going to go along this path first to B and draw my little box. So I've gone a distance of 7 and I've come from A if I go that path. If I go this path, my distance will be 5 and I would have come from A. Now from here, from C, I can go back up here, but 5 and 3 are going to make 8, which is not better than this one here. So I'm not going to bother about that one, so I'll try another route. So from C, I can go along here this way. So if I do that to E, if I come from C, my distance is 5 and 5 is 10, and I've come from C. That's that path there, or I could go this path here, and from there to D, from C to D, I've got 5 and 11 is going to be 16. So if I go from, it's going to be 16 from C. Alright, but okay, from B, if I go along this path, I've got 7 and 8 is 15, which is better than that. Cross that out. I'm 15 from B. And what now? So now from E here, I can either go up here, so I'm at 10 and 4 is 14, so I can get rid of that. I really should have done that first, but it doesn't matter. 14, and it's from E. Okay, what now? So I can go along that path now from E to G. Let's check that. That's going to be 10 and 10, which is 20. So I draw up my little box, and it's going to be 20 from E. Okay, and if I go from D along that way, I'm 14 and 5 is 19. Uh-oh, cross that out. 19 from D. Okay, and if I go from D along this way to F, that's going to be 14 and 6 is 20 from D. And now, so I can, from F, I can go down there, which will be 26 from F, but you can see from G, if I go, I'm going to be 19 plus 5 is going to be 24 from G. It's a bad G, sorry about that. So I think that's my quickest way because, yep, and that's going to be my shortest path. Now, let's make that a bit small. If I retrace my steps, I was to get to H, going backwards, I need to get rid of that guy. 24 is my path, it's 24, and I went from from H back to G, and then I went to D, and then I went to E, and then I went to C and A, and there's my path. So my path was A, C, E, D, G, H. And that is my shortest path. Shortest path.